Hey, 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 it's Dr. J. I am here to give you another video on Own It. Another video. Like, this is amazing. You all are absolutely amazing. I love the questions. I love the feedback. I love it. So, this video, I really want to get into how to find positions. Because before we talked about all the knowledge, the skills, the abilities, we talked about the compensation, we talked about the training. Now, let's talk about finding finding the job of your dreams. Let's do that. Why not? All right, let's get into it. So let's use our example that we've used several times, human resources specialist. All right, we're going to click on that first one. And we already know about the summary for report. We know about the tasks, the technology skills, the knowledge, the skills, the abilities, and the work activities. So let's keep scrolling down until we get to the work section, the wages and employment trends. So let's stop here for a second just to recap quickly. So remember, these are the median wages, but I think the thing that people really glaze over is the employment trends. So right here, the employment for 2020, 674,000 employees currently work as human resources specialists, currently, okay? So another excellent projection is the projected growth for 2020 to 2030. That's 10-year span. And they're saying that this occupation, HR specialist, is growing at a faster average of 10 to 15% more. Why is that? Well, in my professional opinion, it's because everybody needs HR. I don't care who you are, how big or large or small you are, you need HR. Whether it's outsourced or you have it in-house, you need an HR person. You need somebody. Whether it's doing payroll or hiring or job descriptions, you need an HR person. You do. All right. This is another fantastic section, the projected job openings. So the projected job openings for that 10-year span is 73,000. It's projected. It could be more, it could be less. It's probably not going to be less. It's probably most definitely going to be more. All right. So we're going to scroll down until we get to job openings on the web. All right, let's go there. So we're going to use 33647 as our example, and this is where it gets good, everybody. This is where we get to the good stuff. So these are active positions for the zip code that I put in. Human Resources Immigration Specialist. This was posted on 2/17. We have, oh wow, we have a federal contractor in Tampa, Florida, and it's remote. That's the wonderful part about these positions, everybody. Like, you never know what you're going to get. These are real positions. So this one I'm going to use as an example, Publix, because it's a grocery store. It's in Lakeland. Job design and assessment. So let's click on that one. Let's see what it gives us. Hopefully it doesn't make us sign in. It does not. But keep in mind, most of these, when you're logging in, probably will direct you to their main page and have you either create a profile or sign in. So make sure you keep that information current. So this was posted at 2/10/22, and it's in Lakeland. And Lakeland is in between, just if you didn't know, because Lakeland is one of those cities, if you're not familiar with the Tampa, Orlando area, it's like literally in between, like it says, Tampa and Orlando. It's smack dab in between. So yeah, this is amazing. It gives you the frequency, gives you the travel, the base pay, it gives you the address. Look at that. And this is the good stuff, everybody. People need to know what their compensation may or may not be. So this position has the potential, just like we talked about in the previous video about that median range. This has the potential between $63,000 and $93,000. This is amazing. This is good stuff. And remember, this is for a job design and assessment specialist. Basically, you're going to be creating classification, you're going to be creating job descriptions, things like that. And they need somebody to create them. So let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. And please make sure that you follow up with any questions, because if you have a question, somebody else probably has that same question. I guarantee. All right. You have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself and others. Thanks.